Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am going to be simply teaching you how you can go ahead and refund a game on your Steam account. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So in order for you to go ahead and refund the game, however, you will have to have played it less than an hour. Let me show you how you can refund. So first of all, as you can see, I'm on my Steam library. So now all I'm going to do is click on this help button right over here and click on Steam support. Finally, once you have done that, here you want to scroll all the way down and click on purchases. Finally, once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on view complete purchasing history, where your games that you have bought will be right over there, as you can see. So now all I'm going to do is simply go ahead and click on the game that I want to refund. So as you can see, I'm going to click on there, and now I can simply click on I would like a refund, and you're going to click on I would like to request a refund. So as you can see, I don't have the eligibility right over here for refund. So normally refunds are not issued for purchases that are more than 14 days old, as you can see. So if you have a reason, you're simply going to click here, and then you're going to select here. There can be a lot of stuff. It's not fun. The game didn't match the videos and screenshot. I purchased this by accident. Multiplayer doesn't work. I frequently crashes. There's going to be the reason. Once you put the reason, you're simply going to click on submit request. And as you can see, your request will be submitted to Steam support. And basically, if your game will be refunded, then you're simply gonna get your money back on your Steam wallet. So you don't have to do anything after you submit a request. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.